Hey y'all, welcome to Chaz's Cuisines. Today we're making the perfect baked fish sandwich. So for this dish, we're going to use panko style breadcrumbs. You're going to go ahead and spread that on an oven pan. Preheat your oven to 350. If you have a gas oven, preheat it to 340. And we're going to bake these for about 5 to 8 minutes until it's toasted. We're also going to spray a little bit with some olive oil spray just to help it toast and you get that pretty brown color. Once your breadcrumbs are done, go ahead and put that in a bowl. Next, we're going to start on our egg mixture. First, we're going to use 1 egg. Now, if you're doubling this recipe, go ahead and add double ingredients. So we're going to do 2 eggs, flour, light mayonnaise, Dijon mustard. You're going to mix that together very well. And like I said, if you want to double this recipe to make more, just double up your ingredients like I will. You're going to take your fish, dip it in your egg batter. Make sure it drips very well. Now dip it in your baked panko breadcrumbs. Make sure your fish is completely covered. You're going to lay that on your oven pan and continue the process. Preheat your oven for about 20 minutes on 340 or 350. Just keep an eye on it to make sure it doesn't burn.